Did you know that 75% of restaurant managers started as servers? That's right, the journey to the top often begins at the bottom. Start with education and training. A college degree in hospitality or business can be a great foundation. But don't worry if that's not your path. Apprenticeships and on-the-job training are just as valuable. Next, get hands-on experience. Begin as a server, kitchen assistant, or any entry-level role. Learn the ropes, take on more responsibilities, and climb that ladder. Every shift is a step closer to your goal. Think career progression, Valmet. Transition from server to supervisor, then assistant manager back. With hard work and determination, you can become the restaurant manager. Explore every area of the restaurant. Understanding operations inside out is key. Remember, humility and a willingness to learn are your best tools. Stay motivated, and soon you'll be leading the team. Start today, your dream role awaits.